got it.
Hello traders, welcome to your daily report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and for Friday, March 2nd, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, even though the indices closed well off their lowest levels of the day, they still finished in negative territory and kicked off the month of March on a sour note. Renewed concerns about the ripple effect of an unwinding of the yen carry trade weighed most heavily on a market that is now overly pessimistic. Such worries were exacerbated in pre-market trading after Japan's top financial diplomat warned that those carry trades shouldn't be considered one way. That pushed the yen up more than 1% to an 11-week high against the dollar, reminiscent to the 2% yen rally on Tuesday that accelerated stock declines across the globe as speculators dumped equities to pay off their yen loans. In similar fashion to Wednesday's action, the idea that the worst may be over subsequently prompted some sellers intraday to cover their short positions. At their opening lows, the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq were down as much as 1.7, 1.8, and 2.3% respectively, but intraday recovery efforts had all three in positive territory temporarily. Be that as it may, a failed rally from session lows merely fed into fears that the stock market remains overbought at current levels, positioning bonds yet again as the best place to seek refuge until the dust settles. In fact, recognition that Wednesday's recovery effort wasn't all that convincing when measured against such a meltdown like that on Tuesday created an added sense of uneasiness. Yesterday, the Dow snapped a 5-day losing streak, but its 52-point advance paled in comparison to the 416-point drubbing it endured a day earlier. The S&P 500 was the best performer among the majors Wednesday, but its modest 0.6% advance after tumbling 3.5% Tuesday also offered very little assurance that a bottom was forming. As a result, the market was vulnerable Thursday to follow-through selling before the market even opened. Add to that some mixed economic data, and a recently overly optimistic market, now focused on everything negative, struggled to fully embrace a surprisingly strong manufacturing report. In our small cap news headlines today, HS3 Technologies Incorporated announced on Tuesday their introduction of a series of new products at the 2007 International Security Conference and Exposition at the Sands Expo March 28th through 30th. The company is a national provider of innovative security solutions headquartered in Denver, Colorado. HS3 provides technologies and services through a national authorized dealer and distribution program. Previously at 18 cents a share, HS3 starts at today's bell up 60% at 29 cents a share. Locate Plus Holdings Corporation announced today they were recently awarded the first national contract with the federal government for the company. The contract is designed to help the federal government strengthen homeland security. The company will supply select agencies with access to its proprietary database, which contains, get this, kind of scary, information on over 98% of the U.S. adult population. The contract is expected to generate $1.5 million in revenue for 2007. Previously at 24 cents a share, Locate Plus starts their trading day up 34% or at 33 cents a share. Royal Quantum Group Incorporated announced yesterday they have reached an agreement subject to completion of final due diligence for the acquisition of several high-potential uranium projects located in the United States. The company will now focus its efforts on the acquisition and development of additional mineral resource properties throughout North America as well as internationally. Previously at 12 cents a share, Royal Quantum opens their day up 25% or at 15 cents a share. And that's it for the newsmakers today. Be sure to tune in every day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, be sure to watch for the Quality Stocks daily newsletter available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. I'm Cathy Rankin, and we will see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend right here on the Daily Report.
You've got it.